I'll just video it. Well, you know you could take video and then still like, or you can make the picture still.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I didn't know that.
And make a video,
yeah.
or make a,
The still shots,
yeah.
whatever it's called.
And make, and take, yeah, make pictures with those.
She likes the stuff inside.
What is that?
Little
Thank you. It's squishy, huh? It's a squishy, squishy.
Oh, how nice. Wow.
Brock
Well,
picked that one.
thank you. Nice job.
No, there's,
Very sweet. Yeah.
there's another thing in there.
I think I saw, oh, wow. And a wallet, too? Yeah. Isn't that cute? That's
He
so
picked, they
cute.
said my mom will like this.
Yeah, I do. I like it. Very nice. Oh, how sweet. You can use it today. I can use it today. And I'm going to
Thank
use it today. I use it
you.
all the time. Nice purse. So excited. I've never had a real nice, well, I have one, but this is nice. Well, thank you.
If you don't like it, I have the
I
gift.
love it.
I have the receipt for you to exchange it, or we'll.
Yeah, there's a lot of Coach purses I don't like. I love this.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm all.
I like yours too.
I want a green one.
Thank you, hon.
I'm all.
That was very sweet. Thank you. Thank you.
That's very sweet. Thank you.
Do you like
You're
Grandma's
welcome.
new bag? You like my new bag? It's very pretty, huh? I'm gonna watch out for Mom. She'll try to borrow it. Let me see it.
Mom will get one too.
Huh?
Mom will get one for Christmas.
Christmas. Isn't that pretty? I love it.